可以有呢個 group meeting，大家一齊討論我哋學習嘅事情。咁之後我哋可以喺 BYU Idaho 呢度讀書，有個美好嘅學校。祈求祝福在討論嘅時候都有聖靈嘅帶領。以上嘅祈禱係奉耶穌基督名阿門。Amen.
That was pretty cool.
That was cool.
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 Okay. My husband just got home, so he's like, "Oh, what are you doing?" The same day I do one other night of the week.
Oh, you chatting with my friends online.
Okay, so let me make sure I'm broadcasting. Yes, I'm broadcasting. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 3. Which hypothesis involves equality? That would be the null hypothesis, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you're in YouTube. Surrounded.
Okay, question 4. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
That would be the null hypothesis again, right? Since that's the first one and you assume that's true until you get enough to prove it's not true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, and so the first one, sorry, I was typing an email to Cabe, but the first one is the null hypothesis, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
That was the second.
Okay. And so is the second one. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Suppose the null hypothesis is, what is that, mu equals 10. Use this info to answer the next 3 questions. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test? Isn't it the third choice?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So not equal to 10?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test?
Ooh, I have to look at the book.
Oh, me too. This was one I'm like, oh, I have it right here. The left-tailed would be if mu was less than whatever the number.
Okay.
So
So
the first one.
okay.
And then question 7 would just be the opposite, since it's asking for a right-tailed test.
Be greater than the number.
Mhm.
So number
Yeah.
2?
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, bless you.
Thank you. Okay, question 8. Remember that we determine the outcome of a hypothesis test by comparing the p-value to the level of significance or
Alpha.
use the information to answer the next 2 questions. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the known hypothesis?
Would that one be It's
I think it's one of the first two, but
yeah.
okay. If the P is low, reject the null. So
Is it? Yeah, okay, I just found it right here.
Yeah.
If the p-value is less than alpha, we reject the null hypothesis.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the second one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that one says would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay,
So-
so number 9 is the
Yeah.
second choice.
Yeah, and number 8 would be the first one. The p-value is greater than alpha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought that was weird that they were asking the same question twice, and then I realized they weren't.
Okay, an insurance company is reviewing its its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Okay, which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis?
The average claim amount is greater than $1,500 if they're concerned with the true
Yes.
mean being actually higher.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, which one?
It would be the third one. The average claim amount is greater than $1,500.
Those guys are new.
Yeah. I agree with that also.
The third one?
Yeah.
The third one, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, whenever you're ready, I'm gonna be here. All right.
Okay. And then question number 11, which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis? H is 0. The average claim amount is equal to $1,500. Is that right?
Yes, I could, yes. Well, hold on, let me see.
Thanks.
Yeah. That's correct.
All right.
So it's less than like 1,500?
No, for question 11, it would be the first one. The amount is equal to $1,500.
Ah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Question 12. The insurance company randomly selects n equals 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of x equals 1,650. Use this information to answer the next 3 questions. Okay. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? I'd say yes, because the
Yes.
sample size is large.
Yeah, because I remember in the homework, it was only like 15 people, so it ended up being normal, but you had to use that QQ plot thing.
Yeah.
Okay, what theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? Central limit theorem?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You'd have to bring the symbol into it.
Which of the following is the test statistic as defined as lesson? Is it the X bar?
I think it might be Z.
I think it's B2. Oh, here it is. The test statistic. So since we know the standard deviation in this case, we can use the z-score to determine if x is far from the assumed value. This is called the test statistic. Okay, where z is the test statistic, so it is z.
Okay.
Oh. So is it like the z-score?
I guess so.
Okay.
Well, I guess in this one it is because. Yeah, that's right. Sorry.
Cool.
Oh, that's under 4.2. Okay, the historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is $150 with a standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. She sets up a hypothesis test with the hypothesis. The null is mu equals $150, and the alternative mu is less than $150. She will use a level of significance of alpha equals 0.05. She then takes a random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes X bar equals $144. Use this info to answer the next 4 questions. What is the z-score associated with this test?
So take
So is it 144 minus the mean divided by 40?
Is it? Oh, it can. It'd be 40. So it'd be 144 minus 150 divided by 40 divided by the square root of.
Square root of 36.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, my computer is so slow. Like seriously, because like it won't open Excel, and like when I was doing the question, it won't go down. Like I'm always one question behind.
Oh no.
It freezes on the last question.
That's what mine was doing on Tuesday. It was really frustrating.
Come on. Yeah, I've used this MacBook Pro for like 5 years now.
Oh wow.
Really?
That's definitely getting your money's worth on that. Okay, I think I have it.
Okay, I've got an answer too.
How about you, Vincent?
My Excel is still loading.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just gonna use my calculator.
Good idea. That's what I did.
Yep.
Because like I like to use Excel because like after that I can save it, like make a file, and save it for like reference.
Yeah, that's a really good idea.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Okay. Did everybody get negative 0.9?
Yep.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay, question 16. What is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question? Okay, so we'd need to put that into the applet.
Hopefully I can open it up.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Did you get it, Vincent?
It's still loading. It's not opening the applet. Oh. Man. It's time for me to get a new laptop. My crease is like white, blank. I can't see it now.
Well, that's not good.
Mm-mm.
Oh my goodness. Man, I might have to turn off my computer and
Oh no.
sorry. Okay, let me close it and I will call you guys, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, this lesson isn't so bad.
Yeah.
It just stinks that everything builds up on each other, and so it's like, okay, I really need to understand that other stuff I missed.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So for the p-value, we just put the z-score into the applet, and then the area is what we get for the p-value, right?
I think so. I'm trying to think back on the video because I watched it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got like 0.126. Or I'm sorry, 129. 0.129. Is that what you got? Or did I do it backwards? Hold on, sorry. 0.3681.
No, I don't think so. Okay, so the z-score is negative 0.9. And then for the area, I have the left side shaded. Would that be right since it's,
Let me look at the question again. Oh yeah, because it's less. So yes. So 0.1841.
Okay.
0.1841. What was that?
So you take the p-value, oh sorry, the z-score from number 15, which is negative 0.9, and open up the applet and put it on the z-score on the left side.
Oh.
And then just shade the left tail because they're the number that she came up with is less than the 150.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's, let me see. The z-score is negative 0.9. Negative 0.9. Do you guys have 0.184?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, number 18.
What about 17?
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. Sorry, number 17. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem?
That we reject the null hypothesis.
That's what I was thinking too.
Okay, because the p-value is greater than the level of significance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, and what's the conclusion for this problem? It's either the first or the third one. Wait, is that right?
I think it would be the first one. We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
Yep.
Okay, question 19. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test.
I'm sorry, what do you have for 18?
Oh, we picked the first one.
The efficient evidence that true population mean is 150. Okay.
Okay, we good for question 19?
Yep.
Okay. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true? Okay, so whenever we reject the null hypothesis, we say that a type 1 error is committed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
And that's what I'm reading in the book too.
Yeah. So type 1.
All right, let's do some more math. Yay.
Wait, does it tell us what type 2 is?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, in the book?
Yeah. Okay.
If the alpha is allowed to be very large, then the probability of committing a type 2 error will be very small.
Okay.
A level of significance of alpha equals 0.05 seems to strike a good balance between the probabilities of committing a type 1 versus a type 2.
Okay, so type 2 is when we fail to reject the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is false. This is what I'm getting from that table. Okay, so it would still be type 1. Okay.
All right. Are we ready for number 20?
C. A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of alpha equals 0.05, he will use alpha equals 0.01. Which of the following would be true?
Cool.
It'll increase the probability of committing a type 2 error.
Yeah.
That's what I got in the book. Yeah. Yeah, because it says,
Even though it's a common choice,
yeah.
but 0.5 is more popular.
Yeah.
So it's the second one?
Yeah.
Okay, if alpha equals 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error.
Okay.
How do you compute like the probability of error?
Well, I'm not quite sure how to do this one.
I haven't heard someone say Brody since Tom.
Um, I think it would be just 0.05. So I'm reading in the book here, and it says the most common value for alpha is alpha equals 0.5, which is equal to 1/20th. So when the null hypothesis is true, there is a 1 in 20 chance that it will be rejected at the 0.5 level of significance.
That's what I was reading too.
Yeah. Okay, so I don't know. We could try just 0.05.
Yeah. I'm going to submit my quiz. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, number 18 is wrong.
Number 18?
Yeah, but question 21 is correct. 0.05.
Okay. So 18 is probably then,
Okay, so yeah, the girls.
I think it would be the last one. We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Okay.
And what do you have for question 12?
So we're just waiting.
Question 12, the first one.
First one.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I think
Oh my goodness.
That's a very like scratchy kiss.
totally recorded for the teacher to hear. It's awesome. Oh wait, number 17 is wrong also.
Yeah, and I just did number 18, and it's not the last one.
Okay, so it's not the first one and it's not the last one. I think it's insufficient evidence.
That the true population mean is less than 150? Oh, because we would fit.
Oh, are you there? Cut out.
Okay, yeah, that one we did backwards, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we would fail to reject it, which means we have insufficient evidence that it's less than.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think there was the only two that we missed.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Huh. Now to try again. Okay. Where did Vincent go?
I'm still here.
Okay. Did you already submit yours or?
I'm submitting the second time.
Okay.
I'm still working on it though. Let's see.
Totally fell. So funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been through it all.
Hey, watch your tail, you.
Is that your dog?
Yes, she's sitting next to me and there's a box behind me. So that thumping is her tail.
Drugs? I am, dude. I'm hungry. I'm starving too. You really don't. I'll purposely stop eating.
Ashley, are you almost done with yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
What
Yeah,
do
me
you
too.
have for 18?
18?
Dude,
I think we were going with the third choice.
too bougie?
Okay.
And we're on my birthday as well. Yeah, dude. That's funny.
Dun, dun, dun.
That.
Does that mean full score?
I think my husband.
Yay! I just submitted.
Awesome.
I got 100%.
Fantastic.
I am almost done.
Bueno.
But mine is having such a hard time on the internet. With,
Okay. Submitting quiz. %.
Ooh, congratulations.
Thanks.
Awesome.
I feel bad that Cabe couldn't join us.
Yeah.
I emailed him and everything. I sent the invite from, how I do it every week, and then I sent him an email.
yeah. Well, that's okay. Maybe he.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Are we good?
Yep.
I think so.
Okay.
I think Ashley's just finishing up hers.
Yeah, and I'll be fine. So.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, I guess Monday at 6:30.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Good
Well, see you guys
night.
then. Good
Bye.
night.
Oh, that's good. Was it taller than you?